Hey guys, right now I'm trying to open voice because this comment. Hope I still can give you useful, informative, and easy to understand tutorial because I'm not expert enough in English. Karena saya orang Indonesia, jadi teman-teman dari Indonesia yang menonton video ini silakan aktifkan subtitlenya ya untuk bisa melihat terjemah dalam versi bahasa Indonesia. Terima kasih. From my previous video that described how to fix there's a problem banner on Office, someone telling me that method doesn't work anymore after update the Windows. So I tried to update my Windows and Office to the latest one. After almost 3 days waiting and nothing happened. So I assume my previous method still work until now. But if you're facing different problem, maybe this tutorial can solve your problem. I get this solution from the commenter too, that telling me this trick is solve their problem. So I never check this method is work or not. Maybe in some cases this method is work for you too. First, open the command prompt as admin. Then type this command. You can copy it in the description section. After that, press enter button. Copy the second command. Then press the enter button again. The update dialog box will appear. Wait until the process is done. After the process is done, deactivate the product update using update settings and disable all options in this section. For complete disable update, you can use this method. Then open the Microsoft Office and check the activation status in the account tab. If there is no activation key detected, you can run the activator as I described in my previous video. I hope this one can solve your problem. If it doesn't, maybe you can try the method 1 or 2. Finally, see you in the next video. Goodbye.